You ever be driving perfectly fine and suddenly realize the person next to you is texting, speeding, tailgating, and drinking coffee at the same time? Yeah, that's not bad luck. That's modern driving. Today, we're talking about 10 obvious driving rules everyone ignores, and why ignoring them is turning normal commutes into real-life survival games. Stick around, because number 3 and number 7 are the ones people swear don't matter, right before something goes very wrong. All right, let's get into it. Rule number 1, texting while driving. Let's start with the king of bad decisions, texting while driving. Everyone thinks it's just 1 second, but that 1 second at highway speed means your car just traveled the length of a football field with zero control. That's not multitasking, that's gambling with other people's lives. And the wild part? Most drivers who text aren't even urgent. If you absolutely have to check your phone, pull over, because no notification is worth becoming the reason traffic stops for an hour. Rule number 2, driving drowsy. Next up, driving tired. This one sneaks up on people because nobody plans to fall asleep at the wheel. You tell yourself, I'm fine. Just 20 more minutes. I'll roll the window down. Spoiler alert, fresh air does not defeat biology. Microsleeps are real. That's when your brain checks out for a second, and your car keeps going. If you're yawning nonstop, missing exits, or rereading the same road sign 3 times, pull over, take a break, or stop completely. Your ego will recover. A crash won't. Rule number 3, speeding just a little. Ah yes, speeding. Most people don't think they're speeding. They think they're keeping up with traffic. But here's the problem. Everyone thinks they are the exception. Every extra mile per hour shortens reaction time, increases stopping distance, turns small mistakes into big consequences. You're not late because you're driving the speed limit. You're late because you left late. And no, shaving 2 minutes off your commute is not worth the risk. Rule number 4, tailgating. Tailgating is basically road rage without yelling. You're saying, I trust my reflexes more than physics. One sudden stop and congratulations. You've unlocked a rear-end collision. If someone's going too slow, breathe, back up. Change lanes when it's safe. Riding their bumper won't teleport you forward. It'll just ruin everyone's day. Rule number 5, running red lights and stop signs. Let's talk about the I can make it mentality. Yellow doesn't mean go faster. Stop signs aren't optional. Intersections are where most serious accidents happen, because that's where assumptions collide. That extra second you're trying to save? It's not worth the lifetime consequences if someone else had the right of way. Rule number 6, driving under the influence. This should be obvious, but here we are. Alcohol, drugs, certain medications, all of them slow reaction time and mess with judgment. And here's the dangerous part. Impaired drivers usually feel confident. If you're not 100% clear-headed, don't drive. Call a ride, text a friend, walk it off. Pride is cheap, lives are not. Rule number 7, distractions inside the car. Kids screaming, dogs climbing on your lap, passengers showing you TikToks. Your car is not a living room, it's a moving machine. Secure pets, use car seats, set boundaries. Because if something unexpected happens, you don't get a redo. Rule number 8, bad weather confidence. Snow, rain, ice, fog. Every year, drivers think, I've driven in this before. Cool, the road conditions don't care. Slow down, increase following distance. And if visibility is terrible, There is zero shame in staying off the road. Arriving late is better than not arriving at all. Rule number 9, multitasking, eating, makeup, GPS adjustments, full concerts in the driver's seat. Driving deserves your full attention. You don't need to be productive. You need to be alive. Everything else can wait. Rule number 10, ignoring vehicle maintenance. Last one. And people forget this constantly. Bald tires, bad brakes, warning lights ignored for months. Cars don't fail politely. They fail suddenly. Oil changes, tire pressure, brake checks. They're boring until they're not. Take care of your car, and it won't betray you at 70 miles an hour. So yeah, those are the obvious rules everyone ignores. Driving isn't about skill. It's about responsibility. If this video made you rethink even one habit, hit like. It helps more than you think. And subscribe if you want more real-world reminders nobody talks about. Drive smart, stay safe, and please, put the phone down.